Using a tape measure just got easier with the introduction of the eTape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The eTape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why eTape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With the large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the eTape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one." Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the eTape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The eTape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable eTape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
Today we are looking at the Ace Magnetic Wristband Tool Belt. Now this is a 2-pack set. One size fits most. The Velcro holds it in place on your wrist. There are 15 strong neodymium magnets. The wristband is made of 100% 1680D ballistic polyester. On the inside is a strap to ensure it stays on your wrist, and the breathable mesh provides maximum comfort to wear all day. The lightweight design is easy to put on and take off, but very durable. It includes 2 pockets to hold non-metallic items. Use them on the worksite or at home to keep your supplies right where you need them and not in your mouth. Use them when working on an automobile to keep everything easily within reach, or use them when working on a computer. They will hold even the smallest of screws, which can be a pain if you drop one. The ANK-ACE 2-pack magnetic wristband tool belt is the perfect gift for home improvement for husbands, dads, DIY, mechanics, roofers, construction, and just about anyone. Get yours today.
Introducing Auto Floor Guard. Keep your garage floor clean and dry with Auto Floor Guard. Prevent that mess from splashing all over the garage floor. Auto Floor Guard is a heavy-duty containment mat that holds water and mud. Step out onto a clean and dry floor. Auto Floor Guard is simple and quick to set up, and cleanup is fast and easy. Auto Floor Guard keeps your garage floor clean and dry. Auto Floor Guard is a containment mat that holds mud, oil, water, snow, and grime. Auto Floor Guard. We catch it all.
Moving furniture is a real struggle. No matter how hard you try, you need more than one guy. Hi, I'm David Jones, here to show you how you can move any piece of furniture in your home by yourself. This is Easy Moves, the do-it-yourself furniture moving system. Now that's easy. Just lift, place, and slide. The Easy Moves furniture lifter gives you up to 10 times your natural strength. Then the Easy Moves slide right into place so that your furniture simply glides across any surface and then slide right out when you're done. Get your Easy Moves furniture system today.
CLC Tech Gear presents the L255 lighted backpack. The padded shoulder straps and back panel provide a comfortable, hands-free way to transport your tools. Large base pad feet help reduce wear and abrasion, even on the toughest jobs. This backpack features a dual compartment designed with 28 tool pockets, 14 accessory pockets, and 11 multi-use pockets. 2 interior straps provide secure storage. Perhaps the bag's best feature is the built-in LED light that can easily direct at work area or into the tool carrier to help identify tools and parts. The 3 levels of light output allow adjustment for wide area illumination or close-up work. Take the shop with you with CLC Tech Gear.
Remove the bag containing the traction elements from the vehicle. The steel hub was installed on the 2 drive wheels in the warmth of my garage before the winter driving season. I removed the decorative cover with the box end wrench provided with the spiked spider package. To avoid the small ground area under the bottom of the tire, spread apart 2 of the traction arms. Starting at the bottom of the traction element where you spread apart 2 of the traction arms, push the traction device onto the drive wheel, centered on the steel hub previously installed. Add the locking ring that fits into the steel hub by turning it until you hear a loud click. It is then locked in. These steps only take 30 seconds per wheel to complete. The traction element wraps the outside portion of the tire tread and has tungsten studs for bite on ice. I repeat the previous steps on the other drive wheel. So in 1 minute I can get in and drive. The two arms I had spread apart will even out. To remove the traction elements, stop the vehicle. Unsnap the locking ring by pulling the red security lock and turn the locking ring to remove. Pull the traction element away from the top of the tire. Repeat the steps on the other drive wheel. Get in the vehicle and drive a tire revolution and the traction elements will be loose. Fit the hub covers back on using the wrench. Put the traction elements, locking rings, and wrench back into the storage bag provided. You are on your way without getting dirty or wet in less than 1 minute total time.